Gold stayed bullish throughout the day yesterday. Yes, from the support levels at 1945, we have seen a massive rise. And today again, it has achieved the highs at 1982.83. Now, only thing to observe here is the candle size getting diminished here. You can see the body size here. And this is the third green candle in making. So can we expect it to continue on the upside? Yes, 1985 is a great resistance here. Why it is a great resistance? Let me show you here. This was the support at 1985. Now when 1985 was breached, this has become the resistance here. This was the second attempt to break past 1985, failed to do so. Gold has now come to the same resistance level. So this is a wall here which needs to be breached. So is it going to be broken today? Can we expect it to rally towards 2000 levels post 1985, or we can see a possible retracement? Which position you should take trading gold today? We will see with the help of charts. And if the content adds value to your trading decisions, do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Your every like, comment, share, subscribe is a great motivation for me to deliver twice a day analysis. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. What that is. Now look at the hourly charts here. See, base is formed with that higher highs are seen. 1985 certainly is a great resistance. Now the base right now at 1972 levels here. Below 1972 is where slight bearishness can be expected. Yes, the prices are too much divergent from the moving average. We have seen always that whenever such divergence is seen, it tries to converge. And now 1965, 1963 levels, which was the resistance earlier, is now going to be the first support levels if the prices stays below 1972.5 levels. Also, if you look at the hourly chart, see candle sizes have diminished. I will wait for this lows at least 1975 or 1972 to in order for gold to continue on the downside. Now, see, this was the time too much of divergence calls for the convergence. Too much of divergence calls for the convergence here. Now, see, another observation here is the continuation of gold in this bullish channel. The bottom of the channel is now far below at around 1960. The stochastic is rising. The MACD is in green, trying to trade with divergence and bullishness. RSI is staying overbought on the hourly charts. Coming to 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour chart, see the base here. With that as base, we have seen couple of green candles here, and this candle has yielded lower highs, partially because see both the candles are outside Bollinger Bands, and that is why we have seen a slight pullback. Now, see here again the divergence is too much, so possibility of conversion increases here. However, it's still, you can see gold is not showing any signs of retracement here and continuing to stay in the bullish channel. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. MACD is divergent. MACD is bullish. RSI is also continuously staying overbought here. Coming to 3-hour chart, the similar is the observation with the 3-hour charts as well. Now, one must note that 1945, this was the base here. The reversal sign was there. With that, after that, it is stayed bullish, yielded higher highs. Now, if you look at the candle size so far, it is diminished partially because the day has just started. That is one of the reasons. That is why the trading is a bit slower. Yes, it can breach the highs here. We have to be watchful. Beyond 1985 is where the further bullishness will be resumed, and hence the buying entry is confirmed at 1985. This is very clear. But at the same time, one must note again and again, I am saying, what has happened here can repeat here again. Too much of divergence calls for conversion here. If not today, possibly next week. Stochastic overbought, MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish looking upwards. RSI is consistently staying overbought. Coming to 4-hour chart. Now similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts. Again, see, once this base is created, you can say after the base is getting created, it starts the new journey here. And it appears it is still resuming its upward move with the base at 1972.5. This is treated as the first candle. There is a possibility of a second or third green candle here. Also, one must note that this was the support levels, the consolidation levels, and after this is a massive breakout. And since then, it is trying to now see vertical rise here. Now it is trying to trade in this zone. Thus, 85 levels certainly could be a great resistance on the upside, and then on the downside 1975-72 zone is going to remain the greatest support here. So I will be definitely watchful, cautious. Beyond 85, certainly the bullish momentum will increase, which may in fact take the prices further high. But at the same time, one must not forget that now the 20 period moving average is far below at 1945 levels. The complete reversal here appears to be difficult. As of now, it is continuing on the upside with the bullish momentum. The stochastic overbought, MACD divergent, MACD bullish looking upward. And also remember the MACD is at a higher levels here. See, when it has seen minus 20, we have seen a massive reversal here. Now it has come closer to plus 20 levels. So yes, even if it tries to rise, the chances of a reversal will be very, very high. If not today, possibly next week. Coming to the daily. Now on the daily charts, this is very, very important here. 1985, 1990 zone. Very strong resistance exists here. Now this is a wall which gold needs to break past by, because see what has happened since then. If you create this straight line here and if you create this line here, you can find out gold is trading in this expanding triangle, and this is a bearish triangle, and hence a reversal from here should cause more bearishness. But right now it is trying to break past this zone here and staying above 1985 and 1991 zone. Do not think of selling gold. We are looking at 2020 levels as the possibly achievable targets, and beyond that 2050 2080 levels should be seen. This should be treated as a breakout. This is going to remain a critical zone today for gold to break past. If you look at the moving averages crossing over here, the 20 and 50 period crossing over far below at 1900 levels, the 100 period staying at around 1920 zone. Yes, after showing the reversal, it has seen massive rise here. Also, if you look at the stochastic, this is consistently staying overbought. This also calls for a little pullback. The MACD is extremely divergent and bullish. It is looking upwards, and on the MACD there is still a scope for gold to rise further on the daily. However, on the 4-hour charts, it has already seen the highs here, so the possibility of a retracement exists from here. RSI coming to overbought levels, right from the oversold zone to the overbought levels in just couple of weeks. And now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Looking at this, and before I give you the trading levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 26th batch started on 16th of October. 27th batch is now going to resume on 20th of November. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. Now, where to buy? I will recommend you to buy here at 1985 levels. Beyond this, you can expect 1991 and then 1998. Yes, two critical levels, and then the major, see 98 2000 major psychological level for gold here. Thus at these levels you have to be extremely watchful, cautious, alert. Where to sell? I will recommend you to sell here at 1975, but then this is a cautious call because 72 72.5 is the level gold has to break past by. Once it stays below 72 72.5, you can expect that the next target is going to be 1965, the first and very strong support levels. Now 65 63, which was the resistance earlier, is now going to be the major support here. Below this you can expect it to again move towards 1954 52. Yes, if it can rise in a single day, it can also drop in a single day. Now see what it is, it may try to create is higher highs, higher lows. Higher lows means it can erase the gains towards 1955, the possibilities. Thus selling at 1975 levels should be cautious as long as 1972 72.5 levels are respected, and below that is where further bearishness towards 68 65 levels, 63 levels should be seen. Very good support exists there. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you. See you again before the US session update. Press the bell icon or join my free Telegram channel for more live updates. Thank you.